The way that the eSIM works is the physical SIM cards that you're putting in your device, and that could be a 2FF, 3FF, 4FF, or an MFF2 soldered on the board. That physical SIM card contains the silicon, I suppose is the easiest way to put it, for what we'll call a bootstrap profile and a step 2 profile. So the bootstrap profile is put in at manufacture. So when the device is first powered up, it will use the bootstrap profile to connect to the network that's available. And that's probably going to be roaming. The step 2 profile is what we use the SMSR, SMDP, the eUICC functionality of the network that we've built on the network side to be able to deliver a new profile into the SIM card. So once we've identified as part of the management service where the IoT device has been deployed, at that point we can then trigger the SIM card to collect or be delivered to it a new profile from the SMSR, SMDP, which contains the profiles from the different network operators that can be used. That profile gets delivered into the SIM card, so we've now got the bootstrap profile that we're using and the step 2 profile that we're going to switch to. And the step 2 profile is what we're going to call the localization profile. So at this point we can then trigger the SIM card to switch from the bootstrap into the step 2 profile. And at that point, the modem will see the SIM cards changed, although we haven't physically changed anything, which is really important if we've got an embedded SIM actually soldered on the board, because there's no physical way of changing it at all. But the modem sees that the SIM card's contents have changed, it will then reload those, and then it will reconnect to the network using those new parameters. So therefore, when we see the device in a particular country, we can localize it by loading a profile from that country into the SIM card. At the point that profile is loaded in, we switch across and we can then start routing through that local network operator and a local data center to make sure that we meet the legislative, the technical and the commercial requirements of that particular IoT device.